Hi, hey Russ here. Welcome back to the shop. Yeah, I'm kind of humped over. I got the place is just a mess. And I got these clamps that usually hang above my workbench. I'm standing where my workbench normally sits because I got this place all torn apart. Here, let me show you. If you go over here, I'm just going to turn around so don't get dizzy. Over here, I got my table saw all piled up and I got stuff everywhere. Man, what do you mean it doesn't look any different? Yeah, you're probably right. It's always disaster around here. But it's going to get a lot better because I am putting in this whole wall here, going from the door right behind this cabinet that walks into the shop all the way over to the front corner. That's the front window I can see out, and that's the corner. So I'm going from that corner all the way over. I've been clearing it out. I had shelves here that I put like that there, freestanding shelves. And I've been getting the stuff out of the way so that I have a blank slate. First thing I'm going to do is throw up some 3/4 inch OSB from the ceiling all the way to the floor, all the way across. So I have what I call a blank canvas. And being 3/4, I'll be able to attach anything I want, anywhere I want. I don't have to go looking for studs. So that's the basic plan. As far as building the cabinets, they're going to pretty much be attached to that wall using toenail pocket hole screw technology. And I've talked about that in one of my past videos. Go look it up on my channel. Pocket hole, what's it called? It's called pocket hole toenail. Toenail pocket hole? Something like that. Anyway, I've done them both, and that's how I'm going to put these up here. You'll see it when I get done. You'll see nobody's ever done it like this before. But it'll be a great system. It'll really work, and it's kind of like building up on a wall, the whole thing. And I'm just kind of building as I go along. I have some ideas of some things that I want. Also, this window right here, I don't see much out of it anyway because it's just my house. 7 feet out that window is where my house is, so there's not much of a view. But I'm going to take that window out and take my air conditioner, which is on the south wall, and put it over here and box it in so that my air conditioner is going to be right here. I have a plug-in right there that's 220, perfect for it. So that will be able to run right from here, and I don't have this wire that I had to run to put the air conditioning out that window. And I'll get that southern exposure window back, so it'll help bring light in. So much better spot. I'll be glad to get that air conditioner in there. So this wall, we won't even recognize it. And then hopefully I can start putting things away and get this place a little better arranged. So for now, what a nightmare. Anyway, I do want to stop you for stopping by. I wanted to kind of tell you about this, and I'm started. Hopefully by next week, we'll have a pretty much a functional wall when I get done. So I want to thank you for stopping by. If you like this video, what? The kidney stones? Oh, yeah. No, I don't have kidney stones. I did forget that, didn't I? No, the kidney stones was actually my toilet. I had a problem with the flushing. It's been occurring over time, quite a long time, but it's really getting bad this year for it flushing on the first flush. And I look down in there and I see that little hole at the front that pushes all that water out, so it pushes everything down the drain. That hole had something sticking out of it. And I would ask a friend of mine about it, and he said that it was probably calcium, little calcium pieces that have broken off in there, just piling up in there, and they're stopping the water flow. I thought, no, I'd never heard of that. So sure enough, I stuck a screwdriver in there and broke them all up into little pieces so they could pass through, and I got a ton of stuff out of there. I couldn't believe it, just laying in the bottom, and it was blocking the water flow. Thing works like a brand new toilet again. So my toilet had kidney stones. Can you believe it? At least if I had them, that's what they would be called. So I have to call them kidney stones. So anyway, that's what that is. But I do want to thank you for stopping by. If you have any suggestions or questions about this, let me know. I'm looking pretty excited about doing the things I'm going to do over here. And you'll see this wall is going to be built like nothing you ever saw. And don't forget, marble drawers. I'm going to use marbles instead of drawer slides to make all the drawers easy in and out. So stay tuned. Hopefully next week we'll have a pretty good den of having this thing done, but we'll see. No plan. So anyway, if you like this video, say so. Most importantly, come back again because we're nowhere near done. We'll see you again pretty soon.